Alright, last video. So I've let my reaction stand for a number of minutes, and I can see, sorry about that, I can see there was a definite color change. So hopefully my reaction's gone to completion. So once you've waited your 5 minutes, and you've let your reaction go to completion, you will begin your decanting process. Again, just to review from earlier, you will take your glass rod, put it over the top. With your hand holding the glass rod on, you will decant into your waste beaker, doing your best to keep all the solid in the reaction beaker. So I did a pretty good job with this reaction. You can see I've made some new product. But if you all look in there, there's some copper chloride left over, some copper sulfate. I didn't do a very good job that's because I didn't do a very good job when I used the mortar and pestle. So after you've run the reaction, you're going to need to rinse your product, get rid of any of the extra chemicals, because we just want the copper. So using a squirt bottle, I showed you how to use one of these earlier, you're going to rinse down the side, cup with a little bit of water, swirl it around, and then decant again. So, holding this on, you will pour off that little bit of water. And after you do that a couple of times, you're pretty much done with the slab. Unfortunately, your product is soaking wet right now, so making sure you put your reaction beaker on the back, label it, you're going to let it sit overnight, and then on Friday, you're going to record the final mass of the beaker and the product. With the final mass of the beaker and the product, you can subtract the mass of the beaker to find the mass of the copper created. Again, the overall purpose of this lab was to calculate the amount of copper that could be produced and compared it to the amount of copper we actually produced. So if you look into there, it is definitely not iron anymore. I have made copper. So if you have any questions, make sure you post them to this video. Also on this video, you have that quick survey at the bottom of the page. Make sure you answer the questions about the survey and give me your opinion on how you thought this worked as a pre-lab. Sorry for the shaky videos. I have to find a better way to do that. Enjoy. If you have any questions, as always, email me or post to the Verso. Have a good day.